Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to solve this math question on the screen. Every information has a purpose in the question. Let's go through them. Bing Hui spent $630 of his savings on a refrigerator. Then he spent 1/5 of the rest of his savings on a flask. The amount of savings he had left was 1/3 of his total amount of saving. What was Bing Hui's total amount of savings? Let's draw the diagram. $630 on refrigerator. One-fifth of remaining on flask. For fifth remaining. And that is 1/3 of his total saving. We need to find Bing Hui's total saving. From the diagram, we can see that 4 units is 1/3 of the total, so the other two parts are 4 units each. Flask is actually 1 unit. Now we can tell that 7 units are $630. So 1 unit is $630 divided by 7, which is $90. So total saving will be 12 units, which is $90 multiplied by 12. Equals to $1,080, and that's the answer. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and enable notification. See you in the next video.